of repair. One of the first things this has in it is sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is rich in vitamins A, K, and E. So that's going to help to increase circulation under the eye area, especially vitamin K. And it helps irritations, any skin irritations that you may have. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, which hyaluronic acid is going to help to hang on to water. Okay? It also has different tetrapeptides in it. So amino acids link together to form peptides, peptides link together to form protein, and different peptides do different things. So one of the things that the peptides do in this particular eye and lip cream is plump up. So this has things in it to plump the little vertical lines and to plump your actual lips. You can do it everywhere. It doesn't sting like lip plumpers and things do, but it's going to help to hydrate and plump those lines as well as the little lines around your eyes. Okay. It also is, it has ultra filling spirits. So this has konjac root and it has hyaluronic acid, both of which molecules are dehydrated. So anything dehydrated, you add water, it plumps up. So this is made to absorb the moisture in your skin and plump up. Very similar to our volumizing moisturizer. It's going to help to plump those little lines, okay? It also has something called phytoplex in it, which phytoplex is a combination of different plants. So there's butcher broom in there, there's horse chestnut in there, there's Indian pennywort in there, there's different plants in there, and this helps for the cupraos, for red. If you have those like reddish purpley circles under your eyes, it'll help that, okay? If you have the little fine lines, it's gonna help that. It's gonna soothe, it's gonna calm that area. It also really helps the little broken capillaries too. If you have that, it helps that. Now, I do want to be, this is one of our more popular items. People see a difference with this, they love it. But if you're really dark, you know, you have to be realistic too. Sometimes you need more than just a topical ingredient. Sometimes it's something internal. It can be as simple as sleeping with an extra pillow to reduce to have the liquids go down, to reduce any sort of inflammation for that. This does have anti-edema properties to it, so it's going to help any temporary inflammation. But if you really have, like, sometimes people have, especially Asians we see here, have really the extra tissue. It's the extra little bump under there, the bags, and that, you know, that's a hereditary factor, and that you're going to have to see like a surgeon or something to get rid of those. So I don't want to overpromise and underdeliver. I want to say it's our popular product. It makes a big difference, but it really depends on what your particular issue is around your eyes. So you can always do a consultation with me also, and we can talk more about it, okay? You can set that up online, okay? Thank you. Aloha.